India is undergoing a transformative AI revolution, one that is setting the stage for a future where technology drives progress, innovation, and self-reliance. This is India's roadmap to a Viksit Bharat. For the first time in India's history, AI is no longer exclusive to global tech giants or just a privileged few. Now, young students, budding startups, and innovators have access to world-class AI infrastructure. Under PM Modi's India AI mission, India is scaling up its AI infrastructure. Over 10,300 crore rupees have been allocated over 5 years to power innovation. A massive compute facility equipped with over 18,600 GPUs is being developed. This makes India one of the largest AI compute hubs in the world.
I welcome the decision to set up the AI Foundation at the Council for Sustainable AI.
To ensure that AI is accessible to all, India has pioneered an open GPU marketplace. This allows startups, researchers, and students alike to access high-performance computing at a subsidized rate of just 100 rupees per hour. When you compare it to the global rates of $2.5 to $3 per hour, this is a massive difference. Recognizing the importance of data, the AI Dataset platform provides seamless access to anonymized, high-quality datasets. From agriculture to weather forecasting, this initiative is reducing biases and improving AI model accuracy. To build an AI-ready workforce, India is establishing centers of excellence in healthcare, agriculture, and smart cities. With a 500 crore investment, a new AI COE in education is set to revolutionize AI-driven learning.
AI is writing the code for humanity. AI is writing the code for humanity in this century. But it is very different from other technology milestones in human history. AI is developing at an unprecedented scale and speed, and being adapted and deployed even faster.
India is also launching 5 national centers of excellence for AI skilling. This will equip our youth with industry-ready expertise in collaboration with global partners. The government is fostering homegrown AI models, including the large language models called LLMs, tailored to Indian needs. Bharat Gen, the world's first government-funded multimodal AI initiative, is enhancing public services with speech, text, and vision capabilities. Digital India Bhashini, an AI-driven language translation portal, will make digital services accessible in several Indian languages. This will make India technologically sound while bridging the linguistic divide. India's Digital Public Infrastructure (DPI) is integrating AI to optimize governance to financial sectors. AI-powered crowd monitoring at the recently hosted Mahakumbh 2025 set a benchmark in event management through real-time crowd dispersal and lost and found services. India is now nurturing the largest AI talent pool globally. As per the Stanford AI Index of 2024, India ranks number 1 in AI skill penetration, surpassing the US and Germany. This also includes AI skill penetration for women, making it a fully inclusive field. With AI adoption at an all-time high, 80% of Indian companies now consider AI a core priority. Generative AI startup funding surged 6x in the 2025 quarter, highlighting investor confidence in AI's innovation. As we march forward towards the Viksit Bharat of 2047, India's AI journey is setting new benchmarks for the world.